Today we are planting onion sets. There is a difference between planting onion sets and onion seeds. If you do seeds, that's something that usually you need to do in the fall. But since I didn't get to that, I am planting sets that I found at my local garden store. And there's really not too much you have to consider to planting these. You're gonna leave the growth, you're gonna leave the skin, and you're gonna plant them about 2 to 3 inches deep.
The key to planting onions as well as other alliums is the right time of season and the soil. And so I'm planting them into straight compost and I'm placing them in their proper spacing before I cover them up. Onions are relatively easy afterwards and can be a great companion plant for tomatoes and other members of the nightshade family, as well as squash, zucchini, and cucumbers.
How do you know when to harvest onions? It's easy. The tops will turn completely yellow, die back, and fall over. I have 2 little patches of onions, this one and then one over there. That one I trimmed the flowers of, and this one I didn't, and I can already tell that these are not as big as the ones that I trimmed. Onions will pop out of the soil, so it's really easy to see them and pull them up. I'm just shaking off the soil off of the roots whenever I pull them. The ones that I trimmed early on in the season and was consistent about removing the flowers definitely had the larger bulbs. I am very satisfied with my yield. Some are bigger than others, but all will be usable. And now I'm going to cure these for long-term storage. Just like garlic, onions need to cure for 2 to 3 weeks in a temperate climate, and if it's humid, even longer. Spaced out, outside where it's nice and warm and airy and dry.